Kev G weather overview. A look at tomorrow's expected high temps off of NOAA. And through the first 10 days of the month, we've been very warm against the normals for this time of year. And based on what I'm seeing in the long range, it looks like we have more of the same. So if you like nice, warm September weather, this looks like a great month for you. And we are all going to enjoy it, it looks like, with not a lot of rain chances to speak of through the next 7 days and a lot of warm temperatures. So get out there and enjoy it as best as you can, because we all know that it can turn on a dime around these parts. So let's just dive right into the forecast. Now, before we go to the upper level pattern, let's see if I can pull up the day to day. So I'll show you what I mean in terms of the GFS. This is a rain chance that we have for late Wednesday into Thursday. But basically, this is just going to be scattered showers in the morning on Thursday, late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. But the main thing this will do is it's a weak front, but it'll cool us down for a day. There might be some leftover clouds hanging around on Thursday. But all in all, that's the coolest day of the week, it looks like, because after that, our temperatures rebound again. And then as we go into the weekend, you see this front that comes in from the west, but by Saturday afternoon, all the moisture that it did have over the Midwest is suddenly gone. And we're probably going to have a dry frontal passage for Saturday night and Sunday, with maybe a shower or two working its way through during that time period, but really not a whole heck of a lot to write home about as far as the overall rainfall is concerned. I think most places will see less than a quarter of an inch of rain for the entire week and into early next week. And if we go further in time, really not a whole lot going on the weather maps. We have a southwesterly flow, and this is courtesy of the overall pattern. If we take a look at the overall pattern from up above, this is by Friday. And when we look in time further into what the GFS is doing here, it's been very consistent with itself. So this is by Friday. This is a pretty warm, tranquil pattern across much of the lower 48 states. As we go further into time, we notice that it doesn't really change all that much. The more unsettled weather is out west, and the more dry, calm, peaceful weather is over the eastern part of the United States. And this is into next Tuesday. And when we take a look at the temperatures off of Weather Underground, this is what we get. I mean, this is quite nice for this time of year. Remember, the further we go into the month, the more our normal, quote-unquote, normal temperatures come down. So with highs in the mid to upper 70s to lower 80s, that's above where we should be for this time of year. So this is a very nice stretch of weather on the way. We have a cooler day on Thursday into Friday with the leftover clouds. But then after that, our temperatures rebound nicely. And we're looking at a fine stretch of weather here as we go through the mid-month period.